Alright, we are about to drive our last 6 nails in the top nailing zone. Okay, that shingle is installed. As you can see, there is significant fading in these existing shingles. Therefore, that stands out like a sore thumb. But just to reiterate, we had failures on shingle 1. Shingle 2, this adjacent shingle here with a tear and a nail pull, multiple nail pulls throughout here, another one, 2, so that's 2 more nail pulls. Tearing a nail pull that we already got. So at this time, we are going to give this repair test a big fat fail. Again, excessive granule loss. We had a little bit of mat transfer. No creasing. We got 4 nail pulls and 3 tears throughout. Therefore, this roof is unrepairable.